Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the controller off. This prevents shorting and avoids accidental button presses. Once done, flip the controller so the back faces you and identify the rectangular battery pack and its small release tab. Use a thin, flat pry tool or a sturdy fingernail to press the tab inward while lifting the pack slightly. You do this because the tab disengages a catch. Pressing it frees the pack, so you can slide the pack toward the top edge without forcing plastic parts. Once the tab is depressed, make a controlled sliding motion. Push the battery pack toward the controller's top edge where the connector is located, rather than pulling straight away from the back. You do this to clear the catch and avoid bending the battery housing. Keep pressure on the tab as you slide. If the pack sticks, reseat the tool and press again. Make small incremental movements so the connector releases cleanly and the pack comes out aligned, preventing damage to terminals or the plastic housing. After the connector clears, lift the pack straight out and set it aside. Inspect battery terminals for dirt or corrosion so you avoid poor contact later. You can clean gently with a dry cloth or a cotton swab if needed. Reinstallation reverses these steps. Align the tabs and slide until it clicks. If the pack is stubborn, try warming it with your hands or a hairdryer on low from several inches away to slightly expand the plastic, then repeat the press and slide motion. This often frees stuck catches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.